Hey everyone, Maury Mole here. I just got a new shirt in. It's a Valentine's Day romantic Reylo shirt. Reylo, if you're unfamiliar with that term, refers to Rey and Ben Solo or Kylo Ren in this shirt. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a problem with this shirt. Kylo Ren blends in to the heart image too much, and there's a reason for that. That's because Amazon does print-on-demand shirts with a lot of companies, in this case Lucasfilm. This is one, official licensees will have Amazon print shirts for them through a separate company. And print-on-demand shirts are all printed in RGB format. Now when you look at a picture online, it looks like really great detail. It's in a PNG form. But most shirts are printed in CYMK format, and brochures and pamphlets as well. And print-on-demand shirts don't do that. So what happens is there's a bit of a loss of clarity in the definition of some of the colors. And that's what happened with this shirt. It was printed in RGB format. Most shirts I've gotten that were of this type are usually perfectly fine. It's a matter of whoever did this particular license design didn't think too much about how the colors would appear printed out RGB. This Kylo Ren blends into the heart because of the reds aren't too sharp against the heart in the background. So we will fix that using a fabric marker, and I will show you links to both the shirt and the fabric marker, and down below I am an affiliate marketer, and these are affiliate links that may, if you make a purchase through the link, I may make a commission. So I'm going to use Deco Tissue's Uchida brand fabric marker, and we're going to use white. I think this is a pearlescent white. I used this before for an embroidery project on the back of an embroidery project, so I could lay down some stitches on dark colored denim fabric. So I think this will work fine. We're going to see how this will hold up on an applique. It's the first time I've used a fabric marker on a design that was already existing. Now I usually use this on plain shirts or plain denim. So I will show you how I outline it, and we'll see how this looks. Okay? Okay, so a few things before I get started. First of all, this tip of outlining the characters with a white fabric pen, this comes from Elegy on Twitter, so thanks to her for giving us all this idea. And also, she also cautions to, when you shake your fabric pen, because it says so on the bottle, it's probably good to do so over a sink. I haven't had an issue with fabric pens blowing ink everywhere, but it's a good point, so I'm going to do that. And underneath this, I've put some cardboard down. That's so that the ink doesn't possibly seep through to the back of the shirt. I don't know if that's likely, but it's always a good plan to do. So in just a minute, I will get started.